what I wanted to say was in regards, came to the weekend and I was like, I got this like BFPS, I got it, right? And I was sending him books and I was like, okay, I'm going to struggle a little bit with the, arbitrage stuff because I wasn't very, very familiar with that. And I'm so glad I came because I realize now that I don't got it. Okay. But I am dedicated to mastering it because I know that it's going to be a profitable business. And so I'm very excited about learning about repricers too. But I'm really excited about, really mastering the BFPS and the Shopware Wealth. So when I came here, I wasn't going to do arbitrage at all, but I was just going to do books. But now I'm like, why not both? Right? So I'm definitely going to do both. And I'm so glad I came because now I'm like, okay, I got to work on this. Yeah.
All right. Cool. All right.